Hey guys, so at our last meeting, people were asking about eco-friendly laundry detergent, and so I thought today I would show you how I make my own laundry detergent. Let's go. First things first, you need your ingredients, and we have a box of washing soda, a box of borax, 4 boxes, the small boxes of baking soda, 2 bars of Bell's Naphtha soap, which may not be a totally required ingredient. I think you could do without those. And then 1 container of OxyClean. So you need to grate the Bell's Naphtha soap if you're going to use it. And one thing I found that is much easier than grating it by hand, which I used to do, is to use a food processor to grind it into tiny little crumbs. There it is, all ground up really small. And the reason that I say you probably could skip this step, this isn't the only step that I find annoying because this creates a lot of little bit of dust that kind of makes me cough while I do it. And also then you have to clean the food processor really well because you do not want soap in it when you use it for food. So, but this is a step that I still do. Again, you could probably skip it. And then you just open up all your other ingredients, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna sort of layer them into a container. So this is my laundry detergent container. This is the remnants of the previous laundry detergent, which is how I know I need to make more. I also recommend you have some sort of spoon because I like to layer a little bit and a little more and then stir it so you're not trying to stir it all at the end because this is gonna make quite a lot. Okay, so now I've got about half of each of these things in here, and at this point, this is when I stir to try to get everything incorporated together. Okay, so I added the second half of everything, layered it in, stirred it all up, and then realized you're going to need a little scooper. I actually bought this one at a dollar store years ago, but realized that the OxyClean always comes with a scooper. So you can always just use the scooper that's in the OxyClean and realize this is the amount that you use. It's a tiny little amount for 1 load of laundry. You can double it if you have a really dirty load, but also know this is a non-sudsing detergent, so you're not gonna have those bubbly, sudsy things. It cleans really well, and also there is no scent. So if you're used to, Tide, where you have that chemical smell, it's gonna take a little bit of getting used to, but your clothes are just gonna start to smell clean, not perfumey, and I think that's actually a lot healthier for all of us. So there you go. All right, so I hope that was helpful, showing you how to make your own simple, minimalist, eco-friendly laundry detergent. It takes really about 10 to 15 minutes or less to make. Super easy, and also that amount, by the way, for my family of 5, and we do laundry almost every day, that amount will last about 6 months. So can't beat that. All right, I hope that was helpful. Bye.